All song suggestions are free as long as they are family friendly. Oh, I love Ralsei, dude. No, A-Rod, you get banned. That's the price. Your soul. Nick, you're right. Like, that would be a cool way of doing it. Eric, when they get this up to Hope Award, thank you very much. Take the Mimo for the Love and Rock On, as well as Super Spy Bob filling back up the cup. Thank you for 69. This is super fun to play. Eric, thank you for giving this up to a dingo. Super Bob for even more biddies. And another gifted sub to Death Seller. Thank you, dude. Oh, almost got me. Is there lore? Not really. I just really like Vaporeon as a Pokemon. Dude, that was a really fun song to play. Oh my god. Thank you for that suggestion. Oh, dude. And once again, Hopo Art, why are you so into Vaporeon? He's just my favorite Pokemon. Like, legit. There's no other lore to it. Also, if there was any Pokemon that I would like to have in real life as a pet, it would be a Vaporeon. Literally water doggo and or cat. I don't know if they're dogs or cats. I have no freaking idea. Is Eevee a cat or a dog? I don't know. I will never know. It's just... It can be both, I think. I don't freaking know.